Hey everyone, this is Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. I hope you're having a great day. We are going to show you a little bit about making beef jerky and the choice of meat that you have. And this is two of the best meats to use for beef jerky. These are from the round. This is a bottom round here, and this is a top round, okay? So this is from the back end of the cow. Obviously the top is from the upper muscle in the cow, and the bottom is from the lower leg round, okay, of the cow. So guys, the reason why these are the best choices, first of all, they're lean. And when we have a lean beef jerky, that means that there's less opportunity for gristle and for that fat or gristle to turn into bacteria. And so it creates a longer shelf life when we're using nice lean meat, okay? So, and there's less waste, obviously. But for us jerky makers, why we use top round as well is because it is the cheapest cut of meat from the cow. So this actually works out perfect for us, right? Because we're looking at our bottom line. So we use these inexpensive cuts to make beef jerky. Now they're great quality pieces of meat as well, and it just depends on how you marinate them and what you do to make them nice and tender. Those are the different things, and those are the things that separate the jerky makers and how you cut up your top round and your bottom round, right? So listen, so I get my beef from Sam's Club. Now there's a lot of other places out there, big wholesale places like Costco, Restaurant Depot. Those places are great places to get your beef too. I choose to use Black Angus beef, and this here bottom round I paid $3.28 a pound for, and you know, you can get this stuff by the case as well. So this one here is approximately 16 pounds, and this, remember guys, when we make beef jerky, okay, so if you got a pound of beef, you're gonna roughly get about 7.2 ounces. So 16 ounces. After the dehydration process, you're gonna roughly get about 7.22 ounces out of that 1 pound of beef, okay? So now we also got our top round here. And this is I think this is a 14-pound top round. But anyway, I paid $3.68 a pound for this, guys. And this is a top round. This is what I choose to use. This is actually referred to as a London broil as well. So this here, guys, is a great cut of beef. And this is what we're gonna use in a lot of my recipes, okay? So guys, listen, this is Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we're going to show you a lot of stuff on this channel, guys, so stay tuned.